Today, we're going to show you exactly how to make your offer stand out in a competitive market.
That's right. At the moment, we're seeing people going in on multiple offers. There's 10 groups going through property, so it's really competitive out there.
There could be 5 contracts, and you don't want to just compete on price. So today, we're going to show you 4 tips to get your offer ahead. All right, Nathan, so tip number 1, move the settlement date. So why is this important?
Yeah, so I think we all know the 3 Ds of why people sell a property.
It's death, divorce, and different reasons for moving. So
if you know the reasons behind it, an earlier settlement might get you in the property. So standard settlement terms are 30 days. 21, sharpen it up, it might get you in the property.
They could be trying to sell their
faster.
property. They might have bought another home. They might be juggling debt. You don't know the situation. So this is why it's important to talk to the real estate agent to understand what the vendor is doing. Because equally, they might be wanting a 6-month settlement. You don't know. And that could make your offer much more competitive than people out there. Great tip, Natos. So number 2 is increase your deposit amount. So what are the standards here, Nathan, that you see on a contract?
Most times we're going to see about a $10,000 holding deposit put down. I mean, upping your deposit could just mean that you're far more serious. The vendor's going to look at it. If there's 2 or 3 offers down,
it's a psychological game because
Absolutely.
if you've got more deposit, it makes your offer seem a bit more solid because generally if a buyer's got more deposit, it means their loan amount's going to be lower and it means the bank's going to be more willing to lend to you. So that's a good one. Increase your deposit. It's an easy tip to get ahead. The third tip in this is sharpen your finance period. So Nathan, what do you see here in general?
Standard terms are 14 days for finance. Sharpen it up, put 7 days down. Once again, if there's 3 offers down and you've got 7 days for finance, you're more likely to be accepted and you're not just competing on price then.
It's going to make your contract stand out ahead of everyone else. And that's when, like Nathan said, you could not compete on price. I bought my own house. My offer was $5,000 less than the next person. But because I only put 5 days on there for finance, I ended up securing it because the vendor didn't want to wait around for 3 weeks to have someone's finance knocked back. Great tip. Number 4 is play Roundup. So what do we mean on this, Nathan? This is the contract, the amount you're putting down on the contract.
Yeah, so let's say you're putting down a $500,000 deposit, round it up. Use jagged numbers.
Yeah, so I think you meant contract price. Anyway, that's cool. So if you're paying a $500,000 purchase price, instead of putting $500,000 on there as a purchase price, put $501,500. Put $502,000. Put, numbers like that. The other thing it does help you is it can potentially put you ahead of the competition by the nose, but it also shows the vendor or the sellers that that could be the absolute maximum that you're doing. So again, they know you're serious and you're not mucking around and just putting those numbers in there. So there are 4 tips on putting your contract of sale and making your contract of sale really stand out in front of the competition. Which was your favorite? We'd love to know in the comments. Let us know below. And if you need anything else, hit us up at huntergalloway.com.au.